You sound like a goat on crack.
That, my friends, was a weird noise. And Ashley freaking out. Okay, this is our random video. Number 3. About white chicks and stuff. So, we just wanted to say, we don't even know. But, these right here, my friends, would be my fuzzy earmuffs that I got for you. So they're really fuzzy. And, you need to see this. I don't know what that was all about, but I just want to say, leave a comment on what we should do our next video about, because we're completely blanked out and dumb, and we don't know what to do, because we're kind of bored, and we ain't really hyped up tonight, but we're going to have some weird videos to come. But leave us, like, comments and stuff on what we should do. Okay? Please. Please. Please, because she comes up with the stupidest ideas. I don't, y'all don't even want to know.
Why?
Leave this video. Please comment, please.
Oh, please.
Like it, love it, hate it. We don't care.
Just watch it.
Just watch it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.